In a world filled with quick fixes, sometimes the oldest wisdom holds the truest secrets. Today, we're unwinding the reel to reveal a timeless approach to health and weight loss, inspired by ancient Chinese medicine. It's not just about shedding pounds, but about balancing your body and mind for lasting wellness. In traditional Chinese medicine, or TCM, the focus is on harmony. Think of your body as a delicate ecosystem, where every part plays a vital role. When it comes to weight, it's often seen as an imbalance in your body's energy, or qi. Instead of strict diets, TCM emphasizes personalized approaches, understanding that what works for one person may not work for another. It's about finding your unique path to balance. One core principle is focusing on your digestive fire, often called the spleen and stomach in TCM. When this fire is strong, you digest food efficiently and avoid dampness, which can manifest as excess weight. To support this, eat warm, cooked foods. Ditch the cold salads and icy drinks. Warm soups, stews, and cooked vegetables are easier to digest. Mindful eating. Slow down, chew thoroughly, and savor your meals. This helps your body recognize when it's full. Just as this lava flows, your body's energy needs to flow freely. Stagnant energy can contribute to weight gain. Here's how to get things moving. Herbal support. Many traditional Chinese herbs, like hawthorn and ginger, are known to aid digestion and circulation. Always consult a professional before trying new herbs. Acupuncture and acupressure. These practices can stimulate specific points in the body to improve energy flow and reduce cravings. Physical activity is also key in TCM, not just for burning calories, but for circulating qi. Gentle movement. Activities like Tai Chi and Qigong are excellent for promoting balance and internal harmony, while also being great for your body. Listen to your body. Avoid overexertion. The goal is to nourish, not deplete your energy. Remember, weight loss is a journey, not a race. Consistency and patience are your allies. By embracing these ancient principles, focusing on mindful eating, gentle movement, and supporting your body's natural balance, you can achieve not just a healthier weight, but a more harmonious and energetic life. Start your journey to balance today.